Now you have learned everything about pinyin. Today we're going to talk about basic practical phrases. Learning basic practical phrases is crucial in any language, especially in Chinese, as it lays the foundation for effective communication. These phrases help you express yourself and understand others in day-to-day conversations, making it easier to interact with native speakers. Basic phrases like I understand, I know, wait a second, I have a question, allow you to actively participate in conversations, show respect, and demonstrate your interest in the language and culture. These phrases are essential building blocks that can help you in your language learning journey and make your experience more enjoyable and productive. So the first practical phrase is, do you understand? 你明白吗？你明白吗？你明白吗？ And then when you want to answer it, the second phrase is I understand. 我明白。我明白。So 你 is you in Chinese. 我 is I, me in Chinese. And if you don't understand, the third one is 我不明白。我不明白。So 不 is no in Chinese. 我不明白。And then number 4, wait a second, wait one moment. 等一下。等一下。Number 5, 第5个 is yes, right, correct, which is just one character. 对。对。第6个 wrong, incorrect, no. You just simply add 不 in front of 对. It's 不对。不对。不对。The next one is I know. 我知道。我知道。我知道。第8个 I don't know. 我不知道。我不知道。我不知道。Number 9, 第9个 Are you ready? Are you ready? 你准备好了吗？你准备好了吗？ Then how do we answer it? Number 10, 第10个 I am ready. 我准备好了。我准备好了。What if I'm not ready? Number 11, 第11个我没准备好。Here we don't say 我不准备好。We say 我没准备好。下一个 is next one. Do you have any questions? 你有问题吗？你有问题吗？ And if you want to say I have a question. Number 13, 第13个我有一个问题。我有一个问题。What about I don't have any questions? 没有问题。没有问题。No questions. 没有问题。The last one, 最后一个 Number 15, 第15个 How do you say? This is one of the most important basic practical phrases. When you want to ask native speakers, how do you say certain things? You say it in Chinese. 怎么说？怎么 in Chinese is how. 说 is say, speak, tell. So 怎么说？怎么说 is how do you say? 怎么说？ Those are the phrases that I wanted to teach you for today. Make sure to practice, and then if you have any questions, please leave your questions in the comment area. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.